But first, the legal battle over Toledo's red light cameras takes center stage in the state capitol. Good evening, everyone. I'm Diane Larson.
And I'm Lee Conklin. Thanks for joining us. The Ohio Supreme Court down in Columbus hearing oral arguments today in the lawsuit challenging how Toledo fines drivers caught on camera. It's a case that puts the fate of the city's red light and speed camera program on the line. 13 ABC's Christine Long is live at the intersection of Reynolds and Bancroft with the latest. Christine.
Based on the comments and questions from the justices during the 45-minute hearing, it appears the state Supreme Court is split on the issue of whether the system is improperly bypassing the courts. The justices did not issue a ruling today. We're told it could take several months for a decision to be made in Walker versus Toledo.
Walker has alleged they have my money under this unconstitutional ordinance, and I want it back.
The state Supreme Court taking up the case of a Kentucky man who received a traffic camera ticket while driving in Toledo. The question, does the appeals process for red light camera violations strip courts of jurisdiction?
We believe that that is absolutely not the case, and that the ramifications of allowing a decision such as the one out of the 6th District that does that would have untold consequence and establish a very negative precedent around the state.
Other than the loss of revenue, is that the untold consequence, or is there a overarching legal principle that would be the untold consequence?
It's the overarching legal principle.
Toledo's law director says the administrative hearing process was set up 13 years ago by an ordinance established under the city's home rule powers. The attorney challenging the city says drivers should not first face a hearing officer for civil violations. They should face a municipal court judge.
But if a police officer has a radar gun, he takes it to municipal court. This 1901-20 requires the exact same thing here unless the General Assembly creates the jurisdiction.
An attorney representing the camera company, Redflex Traffic Systems, also defended Toledo.
There's nothing in this ordinance that keeps anybody from going to the municipal court. And to Her Honor's question...
How do they get to the municipal court?
They don't have to go to the municipal court, I guess is my point, Your Honor, because the precise question before this court is the municipal court being divested, stripped of any jurisdiction?
Well, you just said there's nothing here that keeps them from going to municipal court.
Because in theory...
I don't understand, after just listening to your co-counsel, what you're talking about.
And I'm trying to clarify that, Your Honor.
You're not doing a very good job.
There are legal consequences, but losing the case could mean a big drop in revenue for the city of Toledo. According to the city's finance department, those cameras have brought in a total of $12.5 million in fines since the program began in 2001. Reporting live from Toledo, Christine Long, 13 ABC Action News.